Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to our online coaching classes. Well, today I am going to tell you a story of a beautiful place called Kurg. It is there in your class 10 syllabus. Well, the chapter's name is The Glimpses of India, where you will get to have the glimpses. Glimpses means what? The sight, the scenery, a quick glance. Okay, so where you will get to know the detail of three beautiful places. One is from Assam Tea Garden, second is Goa, and third one is Kurg. Well, we will start with Kurg today, right? So Kurg is basically a beautiful place. It is also called a rainforest. It does have a great coffee plantation place. Well, it is situated in the middle of Mysore and Bangalore. So basically, it is the place belongs to Karnataka. You got it? Now, this particular story is written by Lokesh Abrol. Okay, now this beautiful place is known for three main reasons. What are those three main reasons? First comes the environment. Well, it is covered with lot of greeneries. Okay, and as I told you that it has got a beautiful coffee plantation. It has got beautiful people. Why am I saying, or why am I using beautiful so many times? Because it is a really a great place for the tourist, you know. The basically people from the Karnataka or the southern part of India, they do have a great places, like you know that Kerala is a great place for trip. Yeah, fair, you can say that Bangalore, Uti, Mysore. So Kurg is also from that particular genre. Okay, so that's why I'm saying the scenery of the place is so beautiful that whenever you will go there, you will feel like as if it is the kingdom of heaven. This particular phrase, kingdom of heaven, is there in the text as well. When you will read it, you will understand. Now, during the monsoon, the people cannot go there because a lot of they get a lot of rain, so it's not good if you go during that time. But the main the pickup season for the tourist starts from September, and it lasts till March. So there you can go, like it is absolutely favorable and convenient for the visitors. Now, another thing is 30% of this entire area is covered with rainforest, and at the same time they have got great coffee plantation. I have already mentioned it. Now, it was the environment. Now next comes the people. Well, the people of the Kurgs are called Kurgis, and also they can also be called as Kodavus or Kodagus. Okay, so there are two legends. Legends means two stories about the people from where they have actually come, because the culture and the traditions which the Kurgis follow is kind of different from the normal culture which India has. Right, some of the people, belong to the Greek, and some of them belong to Arab. It has been said it's a story, or you can say it's a legend. Okay, it's a legend that a few people are a few says that people from the Kodavu people are from Greek descent, or maybe they are from the Arab descent. Now, why do they say that? Because you see, it has been said that the King Alexander, he came there. When he came to India, their army, they could not go back after the war and all. They could not go back. They did not get any practical kind of place to go out from Kurg. Okay, so what they did, they have married the women from India, and then they have started their family, their tradition here only. And their culture is also different. And also, most of the army people who were there, they have also they have also belonged to this Greece, and they have come here. So army people, most of them who are now working for our Indian regiment, basically from Kurgis. Now there is another legend, the legend of the Arabs. People think, or the researchers think, you can say, that the Kurgis belong to Arabia. Why? Because they have got a huge resemblance, huge similarity with the dressing sense or the attire of the Arabs. The Kyrgyz used to wear a long black coat, along with that a vest belt, which is also known as kufia or kufia. Moreover, their culture is also different, and it is not as important and as similar with the Hindu. uh, so these are the two legends. One is the Greek legend and another one is the Arab legend. Another thing which we have to focus on about the Kyrgyz, that their hospitality means what? Hospitality means how they used to treat the people. They are very kind hearted. They have got a very beautiful thought process means they are very advanced in their own way of approaching people. They behave nicely, they behave in a good way with everyone. Their food habit is also very beautiful. And apart from that, the males, especially the men, they are too brave. Why they are very brave? Because uh, the first chief general of Indian army, the Indian regiment, is General Cariappa, who was also from the Kyrgyz. And the Kyrgyz are the only people who are allowed to have the arms without the gun and all, the firearms without any license. They are allowed. Why? Because they are very brave. They are indulged in adventurous sports like river rafting, aircraft, and then bungee jumpings, then what else, mountaineering. So these people are very adventurous people. So these are the main things about this Kurgs. Now your work is to read the story, and have to read the story and understand it, and then you have to ask me the doubt. That's it. Okay, so just go ahead. So this was the story I wanted to tell you all. I hope it helps. Thank you.